Vivo X20 Plus UD with under-display fingerprint sensor surfaces online. The UD in the model name might refer to under-display. The upcoming model will be an iteration of previously launched X20 Plus. Vivo is expected to launch first phone with an under-display fingerprint. Vivo might soon launch the world's first smartphone that sports an under-display fingerprint sensor. A new listing on China's 3C certification website has revealed a new phone with model name Vivo X20 Plus UD, where UD suggests the presence of an under-display fingerprint sensor on the upcoming smartphone. As we mentioned, a new listing on 3C certification website, spotted by Phone Radar, comes with the name Vivo X20 Plus UD. The UD, claims the report, might represent the under-display fingerprint sensor on this phone. The phone's model number is BK1124 and the listing says that it supports fast charging and 4G LTE bands. This handset is expected to accompany the previously launched Vivo X20 Plus, with similar specifications. The phone is likely to ship with the Synaptics fingerprint sensor in line with an earlier report that Vivo would become the first smartphone brand to launch a smartphone with the new under-display fingerprint sensor. Synaptics has claimed that as many as 70 million units of these sensors will be available in the market in 2018. The Vivo X20 Plus UD is likely to be a variant of the Vivo X20 Plus launched earlier. To recap, the Vivo X20 and Vivo X20 Plus feature full-view displays with an 18:9 aspect ratio, and dual cameras set up on the back. The major differences between the two variants are of screen size and battery capacity. The Vivo X20 sports a 6.01-inch display, while the bigger X20 Plus has a 6.43-inch display. The X20 packs in a 3245 mAh battery and the X20 Plus has a larger 3905 mAh battery. Apart from that, both these smartphones are powered by an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, coupled with 4GB/6GB of RAM. The handsets run Funtouch OS based on Android 7.1.1 Nougat. There are two 24-megapixel and 5-megapixel sensors on the back and a single 5-megapixel sensor on the front of the Vivo X20 and X20 Plus.